Hello everyone. This is a demo video of our proposed solution in IBM Hack Challenge 2023. So uh, let's dive deep into the solution. Our topic name is Analyzing Agriculture in India and Making Strategic Decisions Based on it According to Population. As we can see in description, we have to leverage population data, demographic patterns, agriculture landscape, and crop production, farming techniques, etc., and have to develop strategic plans that addresses issues in current agriculture system in India. And we have to make that type of solution which can promote sustainable agriculture practices throughout the country. Because as we know, India is a major agriculture country and major population livelihood and all is dependent on agriculture. So considering all this factor, this makes this problem very important. Now, uh, if we talk about our team's perspective, our team's goal and project. So our team name is Agrisol, and this includes two team members, me myself, Jamie Prajapati, and Hariom Yagnik. Now if we give brief introduction of our project, it is the aim of this project was to perform a comprehensive analysis of agriculture productivity, rainfall patterns, and soil erosion across various states in India. Our project involves collecting, processing, analyzing multiple data sets to gain insights into the factors that influences agricultural outcomes and environmental challenges. So the primary focus was to create visualization report website that could aid in decision making and provide valuable information for stakeholders in the agriculture sector. So if we start and dive deep into the project, our team has uh, firstly prepared relevant datasets that are to be used in this project. This includes crop production data, rainfall data, soil erosion data. We have made this in Jupyter Notebook, and this Jupyter Notebook has also been uploaded in Git repository. So we have taken this data from Kaggle apy.csv, but we have taken latest data, and uh, uh, this code involves cleaning and pre-processing the agriculture data and addressing missing values and all. So as you can see, we have combined Radha, Nagar Haveli, and Daman and Diu. Then we have dropped null values for crop, and there were some places in which production was not given. Production, it was missing. So we have considered median of the production in tons and add that data to it. After that, we have merged population data to this data set, because the main criteria of this project was to leverage the population data with current agriculture system. So we have considered population from 1997 to 2020 and has merged to this data set. After that, in this code, we have uh, merged another data set, which is another column, which is most used irrigation practices in each state, because as we know that irrigation is the major part in agriculture production and yield and everything. Then after that, our main data set was prepared, which is crop production data. Okay, which includes certain columns like crop year, then irrigation methods, population, stage, district, production, yield, etc. After that, we have made second data set, which is rainfall data. Rainfall also plays a vital role in agriculture production in India. It affects agriculture in the major manner. So we have considered state and year and monsoon rainfall columns for this, and we have added a column of frequently occurrence of monsoon in each state. Then after that, we have prepared a last data set, which is of soil erosion data. So this is state and this is area. So we have considered two columns in this data set only, which is state and the corresponding area in hectares which were affected by the state. So soil erosion also plays a major role and hinders the agriculture development. Okay, so these were the three data sets that we have prepared. Now it's time to uh, discuss some visualizations that we have made out of these data sets. This is the first visualization that we have made, which is yield by state, colored by state. As we can see, Puducherry has the highest yield in the country from 1997 to 2020 according to the data. After that, it is Kerala and all. If we see another data, which is of yes, this visualization is production by crop year, color, which is color by crop year. So we can see that production has been subsequently increased over the years in India, and 2011 was the great year for production in India. After that, we have considered population and production. As we can see, there is a line chart in this. Uh, as we can go further towards population, production is also increased. So population and production are highly correlated with each other. After that, we have considered this visualization, which is yield and production for state color by season. As we can see, in winter season, West Bengal has the highest production and Odisha has the highest yield. Okay. After that, if we considered in another season, such as in summer season, this time also West Bengal has the highest production and the yield was highest for, I think, Uttar Pradesh. Yes. Then in Rabi season, I think, no, sorry, Kharif season, we can see that Uttar Pradesh is the highest yield, along with Uttar Pradesh also has the highest production. So this Kharif season was best for Uttar Pradesh production. So Uttar Pradesh stakeholders can take decisions that to grow most important agriculture products in Kharif season. After that, I made a pie chart which is of in Kharif season the major production take place. After that, uh, Rabi season major production take place and the least production take place is autumn season. So the stakeholders can take a decision according to the seasons, because in Kharif season main crops can be grown without any hindrance, which could give effective production to a country. After that, I have made a area chart in which production by crop year, color by crop year. As in the data set, coconut has the highest production from the year 1987 to 2020. All the production crops have been displayed over here in area chart. Now, if we consider about the irrigation practices by state, so we can see that drip and flood irrigation has the highest yield by state, and in drip irrigation Puducherry has the highest yield, and in flood irrigation West Bengal has the highest yield. But terrace irrigation has the least yield, and a terrace irrigation is mostly used in northeast country, while the production yield and production is also very small. After that, if we consider this type of visualization, which is production tons by area, which is, as we can see, as the area increases, production also increases. So a higher area can give a better production. After that, this last code is of also visualization, which is production, highest crop production in each season, which is displayed here. We can say highest crop production is Rabi is wheat. So we can make such type of practices to grow sustainable wheat crop in Rabi season. After that, highest crop production in winter is rice, and it is obvious that in winter season rice should be the main production. After that, whole year is coconut, in summer it is rice, and in Kharif is the sugarcane. So we can make decisions according to it. After that, if we talk about the dashboard which we have prepared, so in IBM Cognos, let's go to content section, and we have prepared a relevant dashboard for this project, which is very APY dashboard. So yes, this is the agriculture dashboard that we have prepared, in which we have added production, yield, season, crop, all the relevant columns and attributes that are correlated and are important in the agriculture sector. Then we have prepared a highly overview of production throughout the country and its correlated attributes. We can see production by crop year, production by state, in which Kerala is the number one, then production with respect to population, production by season, and yield by set, which we have already discussed. Now, we have also prepared a two report based on this. So if we talk about first report, which is rainfall report. So in rainfall report, we have used of course rainfall data set that we have prepared and we have seen in notebook. So as we can see, rainfall is highest in Konkan and Goa. So main production can be done in these places, considering the rainfall. After that, we have seen the rainfall trend over the years is also fluctuating very much. So the stakeholders have to take decisions according to it. And now if we see about another report, which is soil erosion data module. So sorry, not soil erosion data module, soil erosion report. Where is, yes, this is soil erosion report. So as we can see in soil erosion report, area affected due to soil in state is highly in Rajasthan. So the government and the stakeholders have to take certain decisions to avoid soil erosion to the state, because soil erosion is a major interest to the agriculture system. Now, for considering all of this, we also prepared one website. The website link has been uploaded in the README section in Git repository, and we have tabs like dashboard, report 1, report 2, and the all the visualization that we have discussed along with their insights, as you can see. But make sure कि when you click link and dashboard link, uh, your IBM Cognos IBM Cloud has been signed in another tab in this Chrome or another web browser. So at last, if we talk about all the conclusion of that, our project solution includes crop production analysis, seasonal impact, rainfall output link, state-wise crop preferences, then yield versus population, dashboard, reports, website, optimizing irrigation system, and all. So application of this production of this proposed solution are in agriculture planning, then in sustainable agriculture, in which by analyzing correlation between irrigation matter, crop yield, rainfall, project promotes sustainable agriculture practices. This encourages farmer to adopt water efficient techniques and reduce the environmental footprint. And the software tools which were used for the production, this production proposed solution was Python, Cognos, VS Code, GitHub, PyCharm, HTML, CSS for website. Also, the code for this website has been uploaded. So at last, in conclusion, we can say that this was the best project we were worked with, and we have learned a lot of great things in this project, and we are waiting for your result and on other things. Thank you.